So, good morning, everyone.
Oh,
Good
good
morning, nice.
morning, sir.
All right. Can people are still coming? Let me take you your classroom first, okay? Then I will discuss something else. All right. Okay. Let's go into our classroom. Okay, Khushbu Anuradha, are you there? Khushbu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have done very nicely and you have tried your best. Very good. Okay. So it's a classroom like checking your homework. Sustika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, well done. Very nice. Vishnu Devi, Vishnu Devi. All right.
Yes, sir.
So you should work hard. You try more to improve your handwriting. Okay, right.
Okay, sir.
So did you watch my video?
Yes, sir.
The speaker. Karma is a supporter of your language. What do Karma and Kevin claim? Karma claimed. Okay, students. Okay, you learn from your friends' questions. Okay, if you have done, check out yourself. If you have not done, then understand the idea. Okay, I'm going to again suggest you something from this question answer. Okay, so yeah, Susmita, don't you think you have some problem here in your answer?
C number
Yes, number C.
that Korma claim not flame. ED not.
Okay, now I'm writing. You tell me. Okay, Khushbu. Okay, so question is what do can you see my
Yes, sir.
can you see what do Karma and Kavita claim?
Claim.
Okay, what does okay now what is the question? What is our question? What do Karma and Kavita claim? That is our question. Yes, isn't it so? Alright,
Yes, sir.
now this is your question. This is your question. This is your question. Alright. Then alright, now Khushbu, can you answer?
Korma claim using our language is better than
Spell.
multiple language
Okay,
and
it's CLAI
am
Karma claim what?
using a language.
Using a language. Okay. Alright, no problem. That's okay. GUA. Okay, language.
Claim.
Okay, what does okay now what is the question? What is our question? What do Karma and Kavita claim? That is our question. Yes? Isn't it so? Alright,
Yes,
now
sir.
this is your question. This is your question. This is your question. Alright. Then alright, now Khushbu, can you answer?
Korma claim using our language is better than
Spell?
multiple language
Okay,
and
it's CLAI
am
Karma claim what?
using a language.
Using a language. Okay. Alright, no problem. That's okay. GUA. Okay, language. GUA. Okay, language. Okay, now, alright, Susmita.
That
So you have written. Look at okay. Look at your answer. Everybody, everyone, please take care. You are still not taking care.
Swastika.
Yeah, Swastika. Right. Swastika, you have written karma claimed. Right? Yes or no? Voting starts. Voting line starts. Okay. Number one is correct. Number 2 is correct or number 3 is correct. Now everyone make a chat. Okay, in the chat box you write 1, 2 or 3. Okay, now start. Okay, Susmita Singh 2. Come on, go ahead. Rima 3. Alright. Anis 3. Come on, continue. Good. Yeah, others participate. Come on. This is how your learning takes place. Come on. Other people fast. Devendra 2. Biman 2. Good. Devendra 2. Swastika 2. Come on. Yes. Great. Vishnu Devi 3. Or does. If the question is in do or does form, then the answer can be alright. Answer can be do verb like claim, and it can be do verb like claims. But if question is in did verb, okay, and if it is in did verb, it should be in the claimed. So always remember, if it is only in the verb 2, you can use the past tense. You cannot use past tense when it is not in the verb 2, because here question is not in the verb 2 form. It is a present tense form. So therefore, Swastika, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Never make this mistake next time. So we rub this out.
Okay, sir.
We rub this out. Now we rub this out. Okay, next is only about 1 and 2. Okay. As question about 1 and 2. Karma claims using a language. Okay, this is 1. And karma claim using la. Now here, what is the problem here is, obviously look at the sentence, subject verb agreement. So you have to learn subject verb agreement. It's very important. Okay, concord, 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 or that means that SB agreement. Please read this. In the subject verb agreement, what you learn is subject, singular subject. Remember always, I'm spending time so that you can learn better, okay? Because learning is just very much okay, important part, okay? Then going faster ahead in the lesson. Singular subject will give rise, okay? Singular subject will give rise singular verb. Remember, singular verb. Whereas plural subject, you have to be able to write the reason also. Or give the reason. Plural subject, give plural verb. Plural verb. This is the idea. Now let me ask one of you, those who answered to number 3. For example, alright, one of you. Yeah, one of you who answered number 3. Now can you explain why claims is right and why claim is not right? Hurry up. One of you, please come out.
Because the question is in do verb.
So do verb means answer should be also in the do verb, and claim is do verb then. Number 1 is
and
right.
the form is singular, so singular takes verb 5. Singular verb 5, plural verb 5.
So singular verb means verb 5, right?
Yes, sir.
And plural verb means
Verb 1.
simply verb word, okay? Verb word or verb 1. Yeah, you should make clear about this one also. Singular verb means verb 5. Verb 5 means CLAIMS, claims, okay? It can be goes and so on, alright? So don't confuse. In the verb, when you add yes or es, it does not make plural. Verb never becomes, okay, like noun, okay? Like noun, it is not singular and plural, because if you add s or es in the noun, it becomes plural. But it's not not in the case of verbs, remember, okay? So whereas it is claim and go, etc. All right. So now what you have to understand is I said do verb and does verb are under the same category. Same category. Because do can also take claims and does can also take claim depending upon the question structure, okay, situation. For example, here, what do Karma and Kavita ask? Here is do because it is talking about Karma and Kavita, talking about they. That means what do they claim? Your question cannot be what does. It cannot be what does they claim. Okay? What does Karma and what do they claim? But when you are answering, you are not answering like this. You are not answering Karma and Kavita claim. That is right now. Karma and Kavita claim using a single language is better than multiple language, and using multiple language is better than single language, respectively. If you say like that, okay, then you can use claim. Okay, respectively. Okay, you have to use the word respectively. Okay, that means Karma claims using a single language, and Kavita claims using multiple language. All right. So therefore, you can say right claim here. But when your answer changes into single persons, then obviously it becomes the claim. All right. That's what you should be able to understand. Kavita claim, but when you say Karma claims, Kavita claims. This is how you have to understand in other cases also. Okay. Thank you very much. Alright, that's nice, fantastic. Then let's go ahead. Alright, then let's go to next question. Okay, Susmita, let's go ahead then.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead, continue number D.
Which language